Welcome. In this video, I'm going to just give you kind of an overview of BrainPOP Junior. If you watch my previous videos, it's very similar to BrainPOP. If you didn't, this is just going to be a quick run through of BrainPOP Junior and about what 90%, 80 to 90% of teachers are going to use it for are going to be simple, just embedding, linking into Schoology. Kids maybe going through ClassLink to get in and watch the videos. The easiest way I found to do it is give students the username and password, put it on the board because we have a county account, linking the password into it. They go into the or linking the video into Schoology. It pops up automatically, so they don't have to go and look for it and all that kind of stuff. So simply what I'm going to do is, let's just say I want to search a topic, which is I don't know, let's say life cycles, plant life cycle. There we go. So about 80 to 90% are going to do this. It just depends on what your device situation is at school. With us, we have laptops for our kids. So more than likely, I would take this and I would want to share it inside of Schoology. So let's say we're doing plant life cycles. However, most of your teachers, K1, some of the younger ones who don't have devices possibly, or they only get devices every couple of days or once or twice a week. Mainly what you're going to do is you're just going to type in, you're going to find your video, you're going to make it full screen, and you're going to play your video. You may even go in and do your easy quiz, your hard quiz. It's really good for kids who are K through, I would even say third grade, because every icon will speak to them. Like you heard Annie, there's Annie there. It reads it to them, so they don't necessarily have to read it themselves. She'll read it to it, which is really good to have that voiceover. But most of you are going to pull up the video on your projector and you're going to play it. But you have options afterwards if you want to extend on it. If you're curious on how to make a map, go back in and look at my Make a Map video from the video. That'll show you how to do it. And then you can go in and you can take the easy quiz and the hard quiz. What it is you go in, you click easy quiz. It pulls up, you start the quiz, and you can go through and do it electronically as a class if you want to. You can also go in and you can print it off. So let me go back into my easy quiz here for plant life cycle. And before you start, if you don't want to do it electronically, if you want to take this as a grade and your kids don't have devices, you can always print it off, which is a really cool feature for those of you who may not have devices. Um, you have wordplay, draw about it, write about it. There's an activity that goes along with it, and belly up, playing little games with it. You can talk about it. You can pop a joke, create a joke about it. So there's a lot of little things that you can play with as far as the resources that go along with the video itself. But most of us are going to just watch the video and take the quiz or do it. But there's also other activities. BrainPOP is more than just videos now. There's a lot of different things that you can do with it. So I encourage you to use some of these resources in here. I'm not going to scan over them because Annie will talk over me. But definitely what I encourage you to do is definitely do the quiz. It's differentiated, easy and hard. Really, you're just doing whatever you think is best for your instructional practices and what you think is best for your kids. So that's just an overview of just kind of how to find and look at the resources for a BrainPOP Junior video. So I hope that helps you out. Thanks.